Alyssa, I thought it was a pretty nice day for the most part. We had a little bit of sun in there. The warm's going to stick around, but not the dry conditions, right?
That's right. We are expecting some rain showers on the way to continue to improve drought conditions. There's only a couple little spots left to pick up, and we need to still get some water on the ground here to fully emerge out of the drought, but we're getting there. 34 degrees right now in Indianapolis, so temperatures have dropped even a degree since we just started the newscast 15 minutes ago. High temperatures today. We made it to 52 degrees in Indianapolis. A lot of low 50s on the board already, and that's going to continue on into the work week. We've now moved on to the time of the year where high temperatures on average are starting to increase. So 38 degrees would be normal this time of year. 66 is the record high. Actually just 14 degrees shy of that. That record was set back in 1927. So a decently warm day overall, but now it's feeling much, much cooler because now the temperatures have dropped, and then we've added the wind chill on top of this. It feels like 25 degrees outside. So cut that high temperature by half, and that's what we've got right now. Peak wind gusts went well over 30 miles per hour once again today. The windy conditions are going to extend into the first part of the week, so prepare for Monday and Tuesday for it to be breezy out once again. It's still going to stay pretty warm on the temperatures, not too bad. We have a chance to make it back into the 50s, but with the breeze blowing, it's going to make it feel a little bit cooler into the afternoon hours. 13-mile-an-hour sustained winds right now, so they've still started to calm down, and they'll continue to do so overnight. As our low temperatures drop into the upper 20s, it's actually going to be a cooler night with the lack of cloud coverage, so we will cool off well below freezing, but again, we're going to rebound really nicely into the 50s for the next couple of afternoons. Dry skies right now, but we are expecting some showers early on this week and as early as Tuesday. Temperatures 34 degrees. We're getting that cold push of air out of the north. Just yesterday we saw the reverse of this, where we had much warmer air pushing through, so those wind gusts didn't feel quite as bad. But right now 34 degrees. Nothing to worry about, because once this moves through, we're going to be looking at showers on the way with warm air continuing. So this is going to be for Tuesday, 11:30 a.m. Heavier showers may be possible in the first part of the week, but our rain chances will continue well into Wednesday. That's going to be Wednesday at 10 p.m. Wednesday night and on into Thursday as another system passes through, and then we start to dry out as we head towards the end of the week and on into our weekend. But the drought monitor update here, as we are just now starting off about a week into February. Don't worry too much about the deficit at the moment. We are over a quarter of an inch. We need more rainfall, but we're going to get that. We're going to make up for it. At least a ½ inch on one of these days, and we'll add about a 1/10 on some of the others. So we're looking at a good amount of rain for the middle section of this week as high temperatures hang out into the 50s, and then we don't see that cooler air into the 30s, more seasonal weather coming up for us until Saturday. So it's going to take us until next weekend. Alexa?
Thanks, Alyssa. Looking forward to that weather. Coming up in sports, something I know you are excited about, much more Indiana and Purdue. This time, the women battling it out, the #4 Hoosiers versus the red-hot Boilermakers. I'll have the highlights and reaction from Mackie after the break.